Stock market dropped over the past week. So what happened? So we're gonna look at the economic data, and we also gonna look at stocks that reported earnings last week, and also that's gonna report earnings this week that could change the stock market. And if you are investing in stock market, today you're gonna know what to do, and by the end of the video, and you're gonna know my favorite stocks in the stock market. Stock investing for beginners. Welcome to World Traveling Millionaire Stock Investor and Option Trader channel. S&P 500 dropped over 1.67% over the past 5 days. That's pretty big drop. And February, the past 5 days, 2.17%. Yeah, now the market started dropping. Remember, January was a bullish month. The first half of February was bullish, and it usually happens something like that, every year. And if you look at 1 month, 2.16%, stay bullish, the bearish month. And Dow Jones dropped 2.89% over the past 5 days. 1 month, it stayed down. It stayed down. So no matter what happened, how much did I make? On Friday, the stock market dropped like crazy, so I made only 5,000. February 21st to February 21st, only 1 day. So we're gonna look at the beginning of the year. There were 20 business days in January, so we could only trade for 20 days in January. February we have 1 public holidays, so I will say about 30 to 35 trading days. So I made over $112,000. Well, not bad. Yeah, that's a small change. And we're gonna look at S&P 500 map. So Amazon was down, desktop was down, so technology stocks were down, except for above. This is over the past week. Texas Instruments up. Yeah, look at the ADR is up too. Financial were down, and then consumer security went down, and consumer defensive, Pepsi, Coca-Cola, they are up. Walmart down, Costco down, Google Meta down. Healthcare, some of the healthcare were up, and some of the healthcare went down, like United Healthcare, utilities. So it's not too bad. If you see all red, then we could be saying that this market has taken a turn. It could be down for the next a few weeks or a few months, or it could be even be a bear market. So in 2022 we had a bear market. In that situation, the market was all red. That was crazy. So what are the 3 reasons why stock market dropped? And reason number 3 is because of tariff. Consumer and businesses start to worry about tariff. So why are they worried? Because if you are a business importing goods and services, goods are not services, importing goods into the United States, if there is a tariff, the business, imported business, American business, have to pay the tax to the American government, right? So they need to plan. If they don't buy it now, if they have to pay more tariff, more tax, they need to increase the price. So the businesses, they want to buy everything before the tariff kicks in. But if they buy too much inventory concern, if they are holding too much inventory, so that means it's a dead money, right? Your money is stuck in inventory. So they need to turn over inventory pretty quickly. So they have lots of things to worry because of tariff. And plus, who do they give the tax to? Businesses, they're not gonna do business if they don't make profits. So they need to pass it to consumer. So consumer, smart consumer, they understand if there is a tariff, you know what, we're gonna need to pay more. So what's gonna happen? Second reason, inflation. If there are tariffs everywhere, then inflation, right? So because businesses, they have to charge more for their services. So consumer, hey, inflation is coming in, so we need to save money. We cannot spend on discretionary products like cars, luxury goods, luxury handbag, and stuff like that. So yeah, and if consumers are getting worried, what's gonna happen? Oh, they're gonna stop spending. Right? Consumer sentiment dropped on Friday, February 21st, 64.7 compared to 67.8 estimated. So if they stop spending, what's gonna happen? Economy is gonna go down, right? Then it could be recession. GDP could go down. So remember, it's just like ladies, right? Do you know the most beautiful time for every lady is when she doesn't have to worry about money and she's happy, right? That's why I keep my mom, ladies in my family happy because they don't have to worry, and they are happy. They're most beautiful. Just remember, consumer and ladies are the same. If consumers are worried about inflation, then it's not good for the economy. So which stock reported earnings last week? BHP Group, nothing is interesting, 1.98%. And ANET, yeah, it went up initially after the earnings came out, but after that it went down because of the tariff and consumer sentiment and inflation worries. And Aussie, it went up. Yeah, it's all right. I'm not really interested in petroleum, oil and gas. Carvana dropped. Remember, if consumers stop spending, right? They reported really good earnings, but they do not give any specific guidance, so their stock dropped. Remember, inflation and consumer worry and tariff and sentiments, that's bad for car business. Walmart, same way, the inflation guidance, consumer getting worried, and they may not spend so much, so something like that. So that Walmart dropped even though it was good earnings. So what's going to happen this week? Nothing much interesting except for Tuesday consumer confidence. Yeah, if it's good, good. If it's not good, we could have a little bit downturn. And then Thursday GDP. If GDP goes below forecast, it can happen two ways. One way is people are going to start thinking, oh, Federal Reserve going to cut interest rate. Then if it's good news for the stock market going to go up. If it's bad news, you know what, economy is really getting really bad. So we're not gonna invest in stock, we're gonna sell the stock. So that could also happen too, right? And the Friday, PCE, core PCE, yeah. So if it drops more than expected, then it could be good for the stock market. If it's bad, more than expected, it could be bad for the stock market. So which stocks going to be reported on this week? Realty income, year to date 8.54% up. I'm not really interested in real estate. When the interest rates are up, they may not perform really well, but when interest rate goes down, they may perform really well. And it doesn't beat the stock market, S&P 500. So I'm not interested. Over the past 5 years, doesn't beat the stock market come down. But if it hits below, maybe say $50, around 45, yeah, I may be interested to buy for the trade, not for the investing. Next one, Home Depot, same real estate. If interest rate goes down, people buy houses, they're gonna renovate, they're gonna buy home materials on Home Depot. Year to date down. 5 years, doesn't beat S&P 500. I don't need to buy Home Depot because I have so many better stocks in my portfolio. Next one, Intuit. Year to date down 9.2%. 5 years, it beat S&P 500. Yeah, this is a good company. I like that. But I think it's a little bit overvalued. So I would be tempted to think about buying if it's like 520 or 530, something like that. Other than that, I will just use advanced option to trade. And stock number 2, Nvidia. That could change the stock market. Year to date down to 2.83%. They're gonna report earnings. If they report blowout earnings, yeah, then it could go up. The stock market could go up too, right? 5 years is beat all the way. Blow away S&P 500. Look at that. Stock number 1, Berkshire Hathaway. One stock. I own one stock. You only own one stock? Yes, but it's Berkshire Hathaway Class A share, 718,000. It costs more than the house, right? Yeah, it beat S&P 500. But if you are thinking about buying what stocks that Warren Buffett buy, you just need to buy Berkshire Hathaway, right? And if you cannot afford, you can just buy Class B share. The Class B share costs less, right? You can just put stock. It's gonna give you Class B share. It's only about 490. Yeah, return almost the same. Class A, that gives you the right to vote. If you want to learn more, you can go to Master Rich Stock Option Crypto, go to playlist. And if you want to join my mentorship call, the link is gonna be in the description comment down below. Share